Not just me. No wife can tolerate this. In some point, because of the mistake you did, every time I have been crying for you in front of God. Whatever it is, that girl has come and cried in front of our house. To find out a solution for that, isn't your remaining age enough? We have a lot of wealth and health. But to enjoy that, God did not give us a child. That is also a punishment for the tears. We should correct this, not by killing her or sending her away. To a girl like her, giving protection is her father's responsibility.
No one is stranger here. Don't worry, you have a right to come here. Come and have something.
Haha, just like they say chicken 65, chicken 45. To supply different items of chicken, mine is not a chicken stall. By managing my fear, one rice, one sambar, one papad. And this is a Johnson special. Coconut, onion, garlic, crushing green chilies by putting some coconut oil and then churning a nice sour taste by taking it in the hand. I have kept the food ready. Please go and eat.
Come, dear.
I am not hungry.
Even I have heard this dialogue. While I was a kid, I have heard lot many times with this lady. By hitting on the empty stomach, sing a song by tearing your throat and get money. Using that money, we get the rice. Mom will say, I'm not hungry anymore. Mom's thoughts. Like dad, I was doing some antisocial work and getting money. Only I know the reality. Forget it. On a honest note, what crime have we committed? Rowdy Patro's son should become a rowdy is what my village thought is. You are a daughter of a mom who took wrong decision in 1 second. Villagers want you to lead a wrong life. Me and you are not ready for that. Ishvara has given us a very beautiful life. That is here. That realization is enough. Whatever sadness is there inside, you should not take out like that. If you're not hungry, don't eat. May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
You wanted to meet me urgently?
Sit down. Responsible police people will have day and night duty in this period of time. We will not even have time to sleep peacefully. In that case, to relax ourselves, little time is required. Otherwise, a long leave. As they know that I am your promoter, they have given this responsibility to me. This is the ruling party members' cheap revenge action.
I'm very happy. I knew this is going to come, but not this early. If I get a sleeping pills, I'll be really happy, sir. I told you yesterday only, after wearing this uniform, it is only you who I am saluted with heart. Even now it is the same. But now I got some tears in my eyes. It's okay.
Johnson. You're not my junior officer. You're my brother. This is the first time what you're facing. Till now in my service, more than this heavy doses of sleeping tablets, in front of many members, crying, I have saluted them and received this kind of papers. When such type of a person is here, to a person like you, I will not let you sleep for long time. Go.
Hello, sir. Sir.
Shekhar,
Sir.
why it is not changing?
Sir.
Why this village is not changing? What village is this?
Wonderful. Amazing. The famous Ben Johnson is now considered as Powerless Ben Johnson. By the way, where is your hat and your police uniform? Powerful people stripped your uniform. From now onwards, if you want to look at the stars, you have to lie on the floor and gaze at them. You can't simply lie down, right? I know a way for that too. This is what your beginning place was, right? If then the end is also this place. Ha! Hey, Raghu! I have to tell you something. That day you kicked me, right? I was the one who instigated it. Just to strip your uniform. This is some kind of political play. Political bingmanship. Sub-Inspector Ben Johnson, the day you stepped into this village, the game you began by thrashing us. The first half actually did not progress. The game which we are showing you today, remaining second part of the game, that is second half.
You have taken a lot of beatings in first half, man. Bring them, man. Bring all of them together. We'll begin the second half very soon.